नमस्ते बिटिया। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, एफईएम ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। प्रोग्राम नेम बीकॉम एलएलबी, सेकंड सेमेस्टर, कोर्स नेम बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स, एंड सेशन ऑफ टुडे इज न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम ऑन matrices. So, problem number 1, you have given here matrix A and B. A matrix is 0 1 1 1 and B matrix is 0 minus 1 1 0. Prove that A plus B into A minus B does not is equal to A square minus B square. In this case, we have to verify this identity. A plus B into A minus B does not is equal to A square minus B square. Solution of this matrix is as such. Here, in this case, matrix A and B have same order. Order of A is 2 by 2 and order of B is also 2 by 2, then we can say these matrices are able to addition. इसका आशय ये है कि इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स का एडिशन किया जा सकता है. इट इज बिकॉज बोथ हैव सेम ऑर्डर. सो A plus B is equal to matrices A plus matrices B. In A plus B, we have add corresponding elements and get consequence matrix 0 0 2 1. Again, we have to find A minus B. So first we write A matrix minus B matrix. Here both matrix is again 2 by 2. So the difference will be difference of the corresponding element. First element of A is 0 and first element of B again 0. Then difference will be 0 minus 0. Similarly, second element of A is 1 and B is minus 1. Then difference of both will be 1 minus minus 1. So after calculating, we get matrix 0 2 0 1. Now we have two matrices A plus B and A minus B. Then multiply them, A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So first of all, we have to write matrix A 0 0 2 1 and matrix B 0 2 0 1. Multiplication, in the multiplication of two matrices, the process is as such. First element is multiplied with first element. 0 is multiplied by 0. और हम कह सकते हैं कि पहले मैट्रिक्स की रो दूसरे मैट्रिक्स के कॉलम के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगी. पहले मैट्रिक्स की रो 0 0 है, दूसरे मैट्रिक्स का कॉलम 0 0 है. तो पहला एलिमेंट पहले एलिमेंट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा और दूसरा एलिमेंट दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. देन एड बोथ एलिमेंट. सो 0 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 0. Again 0 is multiplied with 0 and adding them we get 0 on the first place. Similarly, first row is multiplied by second column. First row is 0 0, second column is 2 1. So first element is multiplied with 2 and second element is multiplied with 0. So addition is again 0. Next, second row is multiplied with first column. 2 is multiplied with 0 and 1 is multiplied with 0. Consequence is 0. Similarly, second row is multiplied with second column. 2 is multiplied by 2 and 1 is multiplied by 1. 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1 and consequence is 5. So A minus B and into A plus B is equal to 0 0 0 5. Again, second identity A square minus B square. First of all, we have to find A square. A is multiplied with A. In same case, first row is multiplied with first column, first row is multiplied by second column, second row is multiplied by first column, second row is multiplied with second column, and getting the matrix 1 1 1 2. Same way, B square, B is multiplied with B. So by the principle of multiplication, first row is multiplied with first column, 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1, and we get minus 1. Similarly, 0 minus 1 is multiplied with minus 1 0. So we get the matrix B square is equal to minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Here we have to calculate A square minus B square. So first, putting the value in place of A square, matrix of A square, and in place of B square, matrix B square. Then difference, find the difference of both, and after calculating we get 2 1 1 3. The value of A plus B into A minus B will be 0 0 0 5, and A square minus B square will be 2 1 1 3. It means both matrices are not identical. It means our identity is proved. A into B, A plus B into A minus B does not equal to A square minus B square, hence proved this problem. Again, problem number 2, given here A is equal to 0 1 1 1 and B is equal to 0 minus I 0. Here I is a complex number, or the value of I square is equal to minus 1. Verify that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. Here again we have a identity A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. So first of all, we have to calculate A plus B whole square, then different A square plus B square, then adding them, and then compare. If equal matrix we find, then identity is satisfied, otherwise not satisfied. So solution, in order to finding the solution, we have to calculate A plus B. So A plus B will be adding, after adding corresponding element we get the matrix 0 1 minus I 1 plus I and 0. Now we have to calculate A plus B whole square, then A plus B is multiplied with A plus B, and getting the matrix given here, first row is multiplied with first column, first row is multiplied with second column, second row is multiplied with first column, and second row is multiplied with second column, and getting the matrix. And after solving, putting the value of I square is equal to minus 1, we get the matrix 2 0 and 0 2. Again, right hand side, A square plus B square. First of all, we have to find the A square, so putting the value of A into A, and after multiplying we get the matrix 1 0 0 1. Multiply, rule of multiply is the same as above. Similarly, B square is equal to B into B, so multiplied B matrix into the B, and same procedure is applying. First row is multiplied with first column, first row is multiplied with second column, second row is multiplied with first column, and second row is multiplied with second column, or consequently we get 1 0 and 0 1. Then adding A square plus B square, after addition putting the value of A square and B square, we get again matrix 2 0 0 2. In A plus B whole square, we have seen the value will be, find out 2 0 and 0 2. and in a square plus b square again find out 2 0 and 0 2. So both matrix is same, hence our identity is proved. A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. This is the solution of this identity. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.